Are you ashamed of your voice? Do you feel that others think you have an annoying or even a boring voice? Do you wish you had a rich, clear, resonant voice that gave you a sense of authority with people at work, at home, or out with friends, where you tend to be the listener when your conversation simply doesn't cut through the chat? This then saps your confidence further and takes all the enjoyment out of life. I'm Peter Baker, a professional voice actor and trainer, and I can teach you how to optimize your voice and dramatically boost your confidence around other people. You'll develop a more confident, deeper, and more powerful voice that'll make people pay attention and listen to your every word. You'll learn simple exercises and easy but effective lifestyle changes that will improve your voice, that will reduce stumbling and mumbling, and give you an assured air around people and help make new friends and contacts. You'll train your voice to become clearer and more direct, so you'll never need to repeat yourself in conversation. Plus, as well as improving the actual quality of your voice, I'll give you a wide range of communication skill boosting tips and tricks that will turbocharge your confidence levels to help you enhance your career and to hook up with people. Maybe you host podcasts or internet videos. Wouldn't you love your viewers and listeners to hang on to your every word? I'm sure you do. So how long does this training take? Well, I've put together a very comprehensive course with exercises that you can practice, and I've even seen students see good results in as little as a few days. But to totally transform your voice, I've put together a 30-day plan for you to follow. Simply watch a short video every day for 30 days and follow the tips and training I'll give you. In just 1 month, I will train you to have a more resonant and deeper voice so you can command authority. I'll give you the secrets of training your voice to be clearer so you can communicate your needs and points of view much more accurately. And I'll also show you the essential rules of first contact with people who you are attracted to save you from a lot of anguish and disappointment. You'll also learn how to cope with various stressful situations and use your voice to assert your authority. But that's not all. As well as showing you how you can develop a rich, clear voice that people will want to listen to, you'll also develop your breathing skills to enhance your general health and posture, as well as learn a whole host of confidence tips and tricks that I know have helped people break out of their shells and really enjoy life. Could I help you? Please check out more details of my new course, and I look forward to working with you and creating a more powerful voice and a more confident you.